Welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed here, please go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comments. I would love to know what you're thinking and what you think about this new plan that I'm about to tell you about. Okay, what I'm planning on doing here on this channel, you know I normally make 2 videos in the daytime. I'm going to keep making those 2 videos. But I'm also going to have a late night with Walter Weyburn show. The show will probably be at least 30 minutes. I'm going to strive for making it longer, maybe up to an hour sometimes, but it will always be 30 minutes at least. We're going to be talking about stimulus and how our government is screwing us will be the main topic, of course. But we're going to throw in all kinds of other stuff too. Politics, stuff that's happening today, my life, things that's happening in my life, stories of my life in the past. And I'm going to be real honest and candid with you when it comes to those things. I would rather me tell you about my past than for you to find out through other ways, or somebody trying to expose me, you know. But I don't really care about being exposed because I have nothing to hide. Anything you want to know about me, just ask me. I'm an open book. But this show is going to be fun. We're going to take a lighthearted look at stuff here. It's not going to be so doom and gloom all the time. We're going to have fun. We're going to enjoy it. It's going to be like a variety show. And like I said, it's going to be at least 30 minutes long. I'm going to strive for an hour. So tomorrow night will be the first night of this. This is just me telling you about it, so you can please mark your calendars and come back and watch it. It's going to be at 10 o'clock every night. And my 2 videos in the daytime will also still be there. I want you to, when you come back, it's going to be totally laid back. It's not going to be no collared shirt or nothing like that. It's going to be a t-shirt, and I'm going to be laid back the way I am right now. I'm going to have my beverage. Y'all bring your beverage or whatever you want. You know, I don't drink alcohol at all, so when you see me drinking a beverage, you know it's lemonade, Kool-Aid, or tea, or just plain water, because I do not drink alcohol. Used to. I used to drink it good, but it almost got the best of me, and I'll be telling y'all all about that kind of stuff in future shows. Like I said, I'm going to uncover everything, because if I don't, somebody else will. So this is going to be a fun show. It's going to be lighthearted, and it's going to be every night at 10 o'clock. We're going to talk about anything under the sun, and I'm going to really focus on your questions that you leave in the box down there on this show. I'm going to really focus on those, and I will do my very best to answer every one of them. I'm not saying I will answer all of them, because I don't know how popular this show is going to be. And if it's extremely popular, of course, I can't answer them all, but I will answer the ones that I can. So y'all, give me your questions. I'll answer anything. And also, tell me what you want to talk about here, and I'll find a way to talk about it. Like I said, my life is an open book. Just ask me. I'll tell you. Y'all, I love you all. Please come back tomorrow night at 10 p.m. for the first late night with Walter Weyburn. Anytime you see that thumbnail, late night with Walter Weyburn, it's black and white with a moon, you know that's the show, because I'm going to use that thumbnail for every late night with Walter Weyburn show. Also, come back at 6 a.m. in the morning and at 12 noon. And then if something drastic happens during the day, you know, I'll make that third daily video. But as it stands right now, 6 a.m. and 12 a.m. is a given. Those will be there. Y'all, I love you all. Please leave your comments. Tell me what you think about this idea. And just know I love you all, and we will get out of this with the help from Jesus Christ. See you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. I love you all. Ciao.